Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. So many of us installed Windows 11 in our computers, but unfortunately there are still issues to be fixed from Microsoft on Windows 11. That is why Microsoft have released the Windows 11 build version 22,000.282 to beta and release preview channels. This release will fix many issues of Windows 11. We are going to see most of these important fixes. Even if you are not a member of Windows Insider program, you are going to get soon this update. I am a member of this program, and if you want to join, follow the steps on another video that I have done regarding this. You can find the link on the description below. So if I go to Windows Update History, we can see that I have installed this cumulative update with the ending number 746, which will be released to everyone soon. Also, if I go to System, you can see that I have installed the build version 282 of Windows 11. Now let's see which are some of the problems that are fixed from this update. One of the most important fixes of this update is Layer 3 caching issue that might affect performance in some applications on devices that have AMD Ryzen processors after upgrading to Windows 11. Another problem that will be fixed is that for a small number of users that prevents the start menu from working and prevents you from seeing the updated taskbar design after upgrading to Windows 11. It is fixed also a race condition that occurs during the early part of startup that might cause a stop error. It is fixed also the issue with the interrupt handling of certain processors that might cause devices to stop responding. Another problem was that PowerShell was creating an infinite number of child directories, and this issue have been fixed. Another problem that we have with Windows 11 is that PowerShell used to create an infinite number of child directories. This issue occurs when you use the PowerShell move item command to move a directory to one of its children, and as a result the volume fills up and the system stops responding. This problem is fixed with this update. They fixed also a threading issue that might cause the Windows Remote Management Service to stop working when it is under a high load. Microsoft fixed the issue that causes Internet Explorer to stop working when you input certain characters in the input method editor. They fixed the memory leak that occurs when you use nested classes within VB script. So basically they fixed a lot of problems that we are having with Windows 11, and I'll put the link on the description below so you can see the whole list of the fixes that this update is going to do, which includes Explorer problems, CPU problems, or even some small issues with the register editor or with the start menu, etc. etc. So basically that's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Please leave your comments below which kind of issues you are having with Windows 11, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.